Hello, good morning to everybody. My name is Alexander Garcia Camacho. This is the topic of the lesson, environmental damages to the world today. Okay, project. The students learn about the six main environmental issues in the world today. Students can talk about environmental issues, and students can spread the idea, recognize environmental issues, and give advice on how to avoid and resolve them. Also following the guidelines of social science PDA, basic learning right. As you can see here, participate in your conversation, write short and simple tests, understand the main idea, recognize specific information in written and oral text. Okay, so after that introduction, the lesson is addressed to a 7th grade children group in which competencies will be developed such as oral interaction in English, understanding the test, writing and producing tests. This could be achieved through strategies such as listening. The audio enhances the student English ability to grasp concepts and ideas about six environmental issues. Speaking, able to produce the main concept of the lesson using the appropriate grammar structure of present perfect. Reading, reading the task to understand the ideas proposed in the lesson, grasping the proposed vocabulary. Writing, able to write about the environmental issues using correct structures and grammar. Okay. So, lesson description, presentation stage, tuning students into English, reading, talking about the weather, and finally singing all together a short welcoming song. Judy will start talking to students about how protecting the environment is crucial for human beings' survival. We need to learn how to use them correctly to both challenge and records, and pointing out that all of us must be involved in ensuring to achieve the goal. First activity. Students will read, copy, and understand the World Bank and the test to be filled out. Afterwards, they will listen to the audio recording of the six main environmental problems in the world, then complete the sentences with the World Bank. Okay, so as you can see here, the World Bank, the audio, the activity to be filled out. Okay, so the second activity after that. The students do write labeling the pictures in the previous World Bank images online. Then answer the question 1, 2, 3 using the present perfect. Okay? So you can see here are the questions. They will discuss these questions. Alright, so third activity. In pairs, the student will produce a 2-line dialogue. Okay? And then discuss environmental problems with pictures 1 to 5. Okay? Alright, so after that activity, it's gonna be a homework. Okay? And that's all. So conclusions for this lesson. This lesson provides a great opportunity for the teachers to enhance the students their knowledge about the current state of the environment in the world today, uses solutions, reflection, etc. Using strategies being will grasp the overall competencies required for students to acquire both English language and social sciences knowledge. Using concepts and concepts related to social and community life, the student can comprehend, reflect, and promote good and positive behaviors about the preservation of the environment. Okay? Alright, so that's all for now. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.